Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to activate your MT5 or MQL5 auto trading robot expert advisor. So this will be quick, I won't take time. So let's say for example someone sent you a robot. Most likely your robot will be in a zip file. Okay, let's say this is a zip file. This is the robot that you got. We have two types. This is the robot, is not inside the zip file. This one is inside the zip file. Okay, if you move your mouse here, you will see it's written folder in zip file. This one, it's written MQL5 program. Okay, so what happens with these two? First, let's say you opened your MT5, right? And then you want your robot to appear here. What you must do first, you must go to files. Let's go to files, and then you're going to open data folder. Okay, so you can see my data folder is opening here. You are going to MQL5 folder. Okay, after there you are going to experts. You can see it's experts. This is where your robot will be placed. Okay, so if you have this file, you just copy it as it is and then paste it in your expert folder. Okay, you can see meter codes, terminal, what this will take time, but it's easier when you open through MT5. Okay, so now you can paste your robot here. You can see I already have mine. Then your robot will be able to appear here. Okay, as you can see, you can even put inside advisor. Let me put this one inside this advisor, and then after refreshing my MT5, this robot will be here, will appear here. For now it won't, because you can close your MT5 and then open again so that the robot can be here. But you can see it's here now because it was pasted inside the folder of expert advisor. So if your expert advisor is zipped, if it's on the zip file, then you'll just right click and then try to extract. There are a lot of zip file softwares out there. I use this 7-zip software. You can just say extract here. It will take out the robot and then put it here. It will take out the robot out of the zip file, and then you will see this robot here and then paste it. Don't paste the zip file inside meter codes, it won't work. Okay, so let's do it again. You press file, open data, and then you go to MQL5, then you go to experts, and then you paste your robot here. You can put inside the folder if you want it to be inside this folder. Okay, so don't put the zip file here. First, make sure that your robot shows this green thing. It's MQL5 when you move your mouse next to it. Okay, thank you. Give me a subscribe and then give me a like. Sharp.